Good morning and happy Saturday. This is Nicole Rueth with Fairway Mortgage. Hey, I want to chat with you this morning. Not only do we have the Saturday rates down below and Realtor Ignite is this Thursday. Oh my goodness, time's flying by. I want you to be there. We're going to be talking about non-warrantable condos. We're going to do the financial review, and we've got Sean Nealon talking about how to repair credit so that you can get a buyer either from the sidelines to the field or into a bigger house based on better credit, better interest rates, lower mortgage insurance rates. But let's talk today about who's fighting for your clients. Now, I don't want to be overstepping my bounds here, but I'm going to say that most lenders in general won't. And they won't because they're busy, because they don't have the capacity, maybe they don't even have the financial intelligence. But regardless of what the situation is, they submit a loan into underwriting, hoping that it all works out. And when it doesn't, they don't know what to do about it. So closings get delayed, closings get canceled, loans get told that they're non-warrantable condos when they shouldn't be 2 days before closing. I am in the process of saving so many loans or having to tell buyers that they never should have been told yes in the beginning. I want to give you a quick example. This past Friday, I have the sweetest couple, but God bless them, they're just not on their game. And we've had to handhold them for much of it, and then they were gone for about 10 days in the middle of the process. Well, we got down to the wire. Friday was loan condition deadline. And instead of just letting that pass, instead of making excuses for the fact that they didn't have their homeowner's insurance yet, they hadn't taken their home buyer's class yet, they hadn't gotten us their documents until 2 days before, and even then they were short funds. So then we had to think about how to get them the additional funds that they needed, the funds that we've told them since the beginning that they needed. But every once in a while you run into these borrowers that just don't quite have it together, and that's okay. And in fact, a lot of first-time home buyers need that kind of hand-holding where they really do just need to be told every step of the way what the next step is. Well, we got it down to the wire. They just got back from vacation. She's a school teacher. She is drowning right now in activities. But with a lot of help, a lot of perseverance, and a lot of persuasion, both with the buyers in getting the things that we needed to get done, and with my amazing underwriting team, who I am 100% blessed to be a part of, we were able to get the clear to close at about 5:45 last night. The realtor had faith in me. He knew. And when it happened, he was thankful, he was impressed, but he also was like, I knew it'd get done. And we just do. We get it done. We get it done on time. We haven't missed a closing yet. So my question to you is, who's fighting for your borrower? Who's making that call every day, twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day, being that mom to tell them they cannot wait until tonight to get the insurance. They have to do it right now. Well, I'm busy right now. Well, I want your loan to close on time. So that's a pretty big deal. I get that you're busy, but buying a home is a big deal, and this has to take priority right now. Having those conversations, both confidently, but also from a consoling perspective, they react accordingly. I don't berate them, and we don't make them feel bad about it. What we do is we work together as a team. I was bike riding this morning, and I just kept thinking about that over and over again. You have to be able to push and pull. You have to be able to pass slower bikers and get out of the way of the faster ones. It's a dance, and you have to be aware 100% of the time. The moment you fall asleep while you're bike riding, you're gonna spin out and you're gonna bust it. So don't work with a lender that's fallen asleep at the wheel. Work with a lender who's going to fight for your buyers. It's absolutely critical in this market. Nicole Rueth, Fairway Mortgage. I look forward to winning your business. Talk to you soon.